Hello and welcome to Video for Bosses, the place to build your brand and visibility using live stream and video with confidence. If you are new to me, welcome. My name is Janine. I'm a live video strategist, the founder of Boss It's Live, known in the digital streets as Video for Bosses. On this channel, you will find content that focuses on three key themes. Number one, we focus on camera confidence and video presentation, whether that's for live stream or short or long form video content. Number two, my jam, my favorite, we focus on all things live video. So how to present your live video content so that you are attracting your audience, retaining that audience, keeping their attention, boosting your engagement and building a community, whether that's for YouTube, Instagram, or another platform of your choice where you are targeting your audience. I will teach you a framework that's going to help you up level your live video content so that you continue to build your visibility effortlessly. And number three, we are going to be focusing on all things educational how-to content. So that will include tech and tools, what's new in AI for video creators, as well as updates on the new features that the social media platforms are rolling out. Now, if you want to know more about what I do and how you can work with me, go to videoforbosses.com. All the information is linked below. And as my gift to you, there is a free course called Light Camera Confidence. So be sure to go and grab access. You will not be disappointed. Now I have a question for you. What one thing would you like to learn about on this channel now that you know a bit more about myself and Video for Bosses? I'm going to encourage you to click onto this playlist, which is live video tips for beginners. Lots of resources to help you get started going live like the boss that you are. And I will see you on the next video.